Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is, I was going to say a little short video, but it might take some time. This person that has this file, these lines are really too thick on this size disk. It's only, 2 inches. So I put a vector file in there that I just worked on a couple of weeks ago, and it's a lot less lineage. Maybe it's not as cool, but it's going to engrave better. So I thought I'd kind of show you how I did that using the freehand pick tool. And always make a copy of your work, and the person I'm using the page has the duplicate set on 0.2525, which is default, but it bugs me to no end. So we've got a copy in case we mess this up, and we're going to go to arrange, ungroup, and we're just going to start. Let me see what my nudge factor is. We need to set our nudge factor on 3 inches. And we're going to nudge this out of the way. Because the fact that we can't grab it, it's going to be in the, things are going to get in the way. Now we can grab this, and it's broken into parts. But I'm going to use the freehand pick tool. I don't use it very much, but when I do use it, I like it. But the only thing I don't like about it is when I need my regular pick tool back, it bugs me. So we're going to use the freehand pick tool, and we're just going to start dragging this mouse real slowly. Just stay on the outside of the red line, and I'm going to show you what I'm trying to do. This is a vector, actually a vector color mapping job. Going to take just a second. Now we're just going to move that thing out of the way. Now we're going to replace it in there, and so you would take this out exactly the same way, but we're going to turn this into a 1/2 point line, even though they're blue. And I'm going to get my regular pick tool back, and I'm going to get the text and move it out of the way because I don't want to change that. And I'm going to see there's no outline because there's multiple outlines. So I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to go to 1/2 point, and I'm going to go, and their deal has black, so I'm going to go RGB black. You laser engravers want to use RGB. So there's your item. Now when doing this, make sure you have scale to object selected, and it was, because that way when you make this thing smaller, it won't make those lines any thicker. So we need to put that back. Now we need to group it all together, Control G, and put it inside there. And I'm not going to take your time in the video to do that, but you're just going to do the same thing to get this out of there, because there's so many pieces in there. You could not just start moving because they're broken pieces. So you have to, just to let you know, the freehand pick tool is not going to work because it's going to start grabbing those other lines. So you need to nudge them out of the way, and I'm not going to do it for the video, and then just put this in there and make it the right size. And this is the final look. I think it looks pretty good. It's not as detailed as this one, but sometimes you can't. When something's so small, that's going to be pretty good. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.